All right, guys, we are in Budapest. Love this city. I'm back. Nicole's first time here. And we're gonna visit a place called Twentysix in Budapest. So let's get inside. All right, the menu here at 26. Just pause if you want to read anything. You can see how cool it is in here.
Let me get this out of the way.
All right, we got the soy and orange cauliflower with rice and potatoes and steak, gluten-free with a plum sauce. All right, guys, there it is, 26. That place was really good. I think we spent just under $100 with gratuity, 3 glasses, double pours of wine. And yeah, the food was amazing, gluten-free, can't beat it. The ambiance, the music. Love Budapest. We're actually walking to my favorite bar, one of in the world that I've been to. So it's one of the ruin bars here in Budapest. So that'll be in another video. So make sure to check that out. See ya.